Hey guys, Zoysia Sod out here on a road trip. We are in Poteet, Texas. Getting ready to go see Bladerunner Farm. It's gonna be awesome.
What we're doing out here today, we're expanding the fields out here, so they're actually sprigging right now. So they're pulling up parts of the grass and then they're going to actually reseed it. And you got a tractor over there that's kind of rolling it, making sure it's got some contact. This is how it's done. You start with a small bit of area. In fact, these were started with just a few trays of grass. They got bigger and bigger, and now they've got this whole field over here, and that's how it's done, man. They just keep expanding their fields until harvest time. Anyway, so that's how it's done. If you want to take a closer look at this grass, just look through some of the photos on this blog post. Go to our blog over at zoysiasod.com. Read a little bit more about our types of zoysia grasses. I'm a nut for zoysia grasses. I know you are too. You're here to look at it. Zeon, Primo now, and Palisades. There's some jammer out there. There's a lot of awesome grasses. So don't just say, I want zoysia grass. You guys do your research and figure out which type of zoysia grass is better for your property. Or if you want a shortcut, you can just ask us to come out to your property and do a property evaluation and make a good recommendation for you. Adios, you guys. Always like and subscribe and comment below. If you want us to take some other videos or you have some questions about zoysia grasses, put those comments in the section below and we will answer those right away.